Hi guys, I'm almost done of my work. Okay. So, magsasampay lang po tayo. Samahan niyo po ako sa pagsasampay. Opo. Kasi, busy ang lola niyo ngayon. Hindi pa ako naligo at saka mamaya mamamalengke ako. Tapos, ayan. Magsasampay tayo ng ating mga nilabhan. Ayan. Ayan po yung buhay natin. Ayan po yung buhay natin dito sa Singapore bilang isang kunyang, okay? Ano na lahat, natanggal na. Baka naman sabihin ng amo ko pababayarin ako doon. So ayun, kaya twice a week ako, Wednesday at saka Saturday yan. Pero nung kasing Saturday, hindi ko masyado siyang naano kasi ginamit naman nila yung toilet na hindi ko pa tapos linisan. So, ayun, hindi ko nagawang linisan. So, for today, walang tao. Ayun, maglilinis ako. Magbibasic lang ako ng linis. Tsaka tomorrow, bukas na ako magbabrush. Tsaka guys, dito, yun yung kinaganda dito dahil wala akong alaga. May alaga ako, malaki na hindi na alagain kasi ano na siya. Iba naman kasi yung lalaki sa babae. Lalaki kasi ang alaga ko, tapos hindi na yan siya. Hindi sila masyadong troublesome o mga independent masyado sila. So, I'm so blessed to have them. At saka, wala akong masabi. Lahat ng hinahanap ko, in-expect ko, more than enough. I can thank you enough nga sabi. Kahit isang araw man lang. Oo. Yun yung totoo, 'di ba? For me kasi na yung buhay ko is parang nagugol na sa trabaho. So, I need sometimes para sa sarili ko. Kasi mahirap din yung ikulong ko na lang yung buhay. Minsan lang tayo nabubuhay, guys, at ikukulong nyo lang. Yun yung stand ko eh. Gusto ko lang na, nandun na tayo, nagtrabaho, nasa buhay mo, nasa trabaho na. Pero guys, I'm so proud of this. Yung mga ugat na yan, bunga ng aking tiyaga, paghihirap, pagsisikap, kumita ako ng maraming pera dito. Oo, nakasuporta ako sa pamilya ko. Ako nagbibigay ng pagkain sa hapag nila. Kaya, yan, I'm so proud of this. Kaya sasabihin nila na yung kamay ko hindi maganda, parang matanda na. I don't care, guys, but I am so blessed to have this kind of face. I'm so blessed to have this kind of look. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And kita-kits ulit tayo for my next video. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Chika-chika ulit tayo.
When you work as a nurse, there are only 3 things that you need to get through a 12-hour shift, at least in my opinion. It's rest, mindset, and lots of caffeine. Hi, my name is Darren. I'm a Filipino nurse in the UK, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And in this channel, I talk about living abroad, lifestyle, and nursing related content, and anything in between. So in today's video, it's pretty interesting because I want to share. It never gets any easier, believe me. Then I go for a shower. I spend around 10 to 15 minutes in there. Is it gross to be in the shower? I wonder. Then I get dressed and do my hair. You're beautiful. It's pretty good and healthy. Since my coffee usually pre-made, I just put it in the microwave out of convenience for a few minutes to heat it up. Then basically, I don't have any trouble commuting back and forth. In a typical day, I eat my breakfast in the car, not because I'm a loner, or maybe I'm a loner, or whatsoever, but if I go and eat in the staff room at this time, I feel that I'm in a working mode. Early afternoon, usually quite a battle because most of my energy starts to drain at this time. But there's always a solution for that.
Caffeine.
The purest form of being a human, essentially. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you won't miss any videos in the future.
Everyone, I'm Kylie and I'm an ESL teacher. An ESL teacher means English as Second Language Teacher. So today I want to vlog what an ESL teacher does in a day. In my day. It's already 6:50 in the morning and I'm now on my way to work. I will show you how it is easy for me to go to work because my work is just walking distance and a tricycle away. This is for my breakfast. My house is very near at Evergrotesco, so there is a passageway, a shortcut. Be careful!
I bet.
Make your teacher Kylie pretty!
Pretty!
So I'm already here at Evergrotesco. Like magic. So I always take a walk every day before going to work. Sitting at the tricycle. Area. She's preparing for her exam. She's only 9 years old. Hi. Hello.
I'm 10 years old.
Wow, you're 10 years old. Nice.
Hello everyone, my name is Dan. Today I will describe picture.
Like this. The chick should be
okay,
not
okay.
downward, like that.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Make your teacher Kylie pretty. Come on. Over the other side. Why did you put there? It's not this. Is it the same as the other side?
Yes.
Really? Do I now look pretty? Make sure I'm pretty.
It's pretty.
Really? Am I pretty?
Wala siyang damit, guys.
Kamusta yung volunteered flight?
Okay naman.
yung feeling na nag-prepare ka for a short haul flight. Feeling ko China lang punta ko.
Macau ka kasi talaga,
Oo,
no?
China lang. Pang China lang yung tulog ko, yung gamit ko. Ngayon nasa lahat.
Guys, lahat ng nakikita ninyo, pati panty, akin yan. Hi guys! So, we just landed here in Los Angeles. Wow! Ay, ng room. Hi guys! So, andito na kami sa room. And this is our room for 2 days. So time check, it's 2:36 in the morning, 2:36 a.m. in Manila.
Sponsored lahat.
Guys, lahat ng nakikita ninyo, pati panty, akin yan. So, ako, kala ko ka-attend ng binyag.
Daan na lang sa mukha, ganyan.
Daan na lang sa mukha. And guys, nakakatawa kasi wala akong dalang bag. Eh, naalala niyo yung pinakita kong baonan namin. So, ito yung bag. Kompleto na dito. Nandito na kami sa baba. Tara. For breakfast. Tali pa na ako. Waffles. Ano kaya may ganyan ka sa bahay, no?
Sawa ka sawa.
Yung butter. Ano ba ito? Hazelnut. Love hot chocolate.
But then I put
Coffee?
so it turns parang mocha.
Tumagalog, hindi English.
Sige.
Oh, English challenge?
Diba? Today is
Gusto mo?
healthy.
How about, English language, guys?
English only.
Can ba natin, my God?
In 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Sabi nila, masarap daw maging seaman. Biyahe dito. Biyahe doon. Punta dito. Punta doon. Sabi pa nga ng iba, travel the world for free with high salary. Buhay naming mga marino dito sa barko.
Yung hangin ngayon at medyo muulan, pero tolerable na siya at saka pwede nang magtrabaho ng mga tao sa deck. Second day na namin ng washing sa cargo hold number 4. Kailangan na naming matapos kasi bago mag-Atlantic, kailangan naming malagyan ng seawater.
Ang barko namin ay isang bulk carrier na nagkakarga ng iba't ibang uri ng grains at minerals. At sa ngayong buwan ay nagkarga kami ng coal galing Indonesia at dinala namin ito sa India. Ang barko namin ay merong 7 cargo holds o bodega. At matapos kaming magdiskarga ng dirty cargo ay kailangan naming linising mabuti ang bawat cargo hold sapagkat soya beans ang sunod naming kargamento na kukunin pa namin sa Brazil.
The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Alright. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Trying my best to meet somebody. Everybody around me.
So today is Saturday at papasok tayo sa kusina. Tingnan natin yung niluluto ni Yorski. Yors, morning! Anong niluluto mo, Yors?
Bacon.
May naaalala ko sa bacon na yan eh. Wala, Yors, favorite ko kasi yung bacon na yan eh. Miss na miss ko na. Mapapayak na naman ako. Ayan guys, ganyang kalalaki yung broccoli ng meat na piniprepare para sa crew. Bacon. Kasi ngayon guys, at may bagong balita, Argentina na yung loading port namin instead of Brazil. Masaya yung crew dahil nakatikim sila ng pahinga. Alam mo naman dito sa barko, kahit na Sunday, pag nasa port kami o kailangan kami ng trabaho namin, no choice kami kasi nga, pinunta nga namin dito is trabaho. Pagka Sunday, kanya-kanyang trip, may naglilinis ng kabina, may nanonood ng movies, etc. etc. Masaya ang crew ngayon dahil may dagdag libangan sila. Dahil kanina, nag-install kami ng ring. Ngayon pa na yung basketball nila. Mamaya makikidjoin tayo. Alright.
I'm just gonna run right through the rain. I'm just gonna dance right through the pain.
Guys, tapos na kaming mag-washing ng mga cargo holds o balde sa term naming mga seafarer. Ngayon nasa scraping at painting process na kami. Kailangan naming i-recondition yung bodega para pumasa kami sa mga surveyors at ready na mag-receive ng mga bagong cargos sa Argentina. Ito yung isa sa masisipag naming mga AV, Boss Rogel. Alright. Pagka ganito umulan, hindi kami makapag-boss ng bodega. Tuloy pa rin yung trabaho. Ang ginagawa namin, nilalagyan na namin ng cargo light yung bodega. At okay na. Pwede nang trabaho. Ito yung tinatawag ng bilge. Ito yung isa sa mga nililinis namin pagka naglilinis kami ng bodega. Ito yung drainage ng barko. Dito pinapapout yung tubig pagka naglilinis.
Brave the city sleepless while we are young. While we are young.
Yeah. Nag-iigit ka kasi nahihirapan na asa na alam mo.
Ilagay mo yung cut na yun yung sinabi mo ba? Maganda yun eh. Sabayan mo, buddy, parang seryoso ba?
Tapos sabi ko, bakit? Parang, hindi, iba eh, angat yung boses mo. Magpakailanman panahon ay ikot ang buhay ng mga seaman dito sa barko. At pag nasa port po kami, hindi rin po kami halos makalabas dahil sobrang busy po. Actually, isang beses pa lang ako nakakalabas sa ngayong kontrata ko at mag 5 months na akong di nakakaapak ng lupa, which is nakakabaong na. Dagdag pa dyan na walang internet yung barko namin at pag nasa port kami, doon lang kami makakapag-internet. Kundi kaya pag nasa anchorage kami at may lalapit na service boat na magbebenta ng internet sa amin. At sobrang mahal po ng internet dito sa barko. Ang isang SIM card po o internet ay naglalaro sa $10 hanggang $25. Minsan nakakaabot pa ng 30. Depende sa lugar na pinagdakan nyo at depende sa pakikiusap nyo sa nagbebenta. Ito na yung mga nabili kong SIM card sa ngayong kontrata ko. Madami-dami na rin. I hope na huwag kang makaisip ng mga bagay na magpapa-worse pa sa sitwasyon mo. Humans at Sea have a campaign right now entitled Not On My Watch. It's a campaign against suicide here on board. I hope may help you. Please do check it on their Instagram account, on Facebook. Meron din. I hope makatulong rin po ito sa mga kapwa ko seafarers. It's a survival checklist on how to survive or how to overcome anything that's bothering you here on board. So yun po, no, please do take care of your mental and emotional health. Please lang, huwag na po tayong dumagdag pa sa mga numbers. Dahil dito po sa barko, tayo lang po ang makakatulong sa mga sarili natin. Look forward for better things ahead, and there's so much more to think about, so much more to look forward to. So relax ka lang, chillax ka lang, bro. At don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you.